Alright, so welcome back sa ating tutorial PHP for beginners. Okay, so let's continue our project on Dexter's Flower Shop web application or website. So, during our last tutorial, gumawa tayo ng or nag-insert tayo ng data from the database manually, and then we echo it here in the HTML templates, or we view it in the HTML template. So that is manually inserted data that is being viewed here on the HTML template. So ngayon, yung gagawin natin is mag-i-insert tayo ng data. Since we have this button, once we click this add new flower, mayroon tayo ditong form, which is the name, type, description, email, number. So dito natin ilalagay yung data, and then when we hit the button add new flower, it will be added here on the database. It's because itong mga value na ito, we had inserted it manually. So tayo lang ang nag-i-insert nito sa database manually. So ang gagawin natin, tayo ang mag-i-insert gamit itong form. Okay, so yan yung gagawin natin. Okay, so punta tayo sa ating text editor. Okay, so ito. So ito yung form, ito yung add.php form. So ito yon, dito tayo maglalagay ng codes para makapag-input tayo ng data. Okay? So here guys, we had our previous codes, which is gamit natin yung request, post request, para makuha yung value ng name, type, description, email, at saka number. Nag-i-echo lang tayo dito, or in-echo lang natin. So next thing to do is we will change this echo into a variable. Ilagay natin na variable. Let's say for example, name is equals to the value. So meaning yung value ng name nandito na sa ating variable, because we use the post request to get the value of this inputs, di ba? Dito. So once nandito na sa loob, ilalagay natin siya sa variable. Since nakuha na natin yung value, ilalagay na natin dito sa loob ng variable. Okay? So kumpletuhin lang natin 'to. So lagay tayo ng variable para sa type. So ayan. Next, description. Yan. Equals. And then, para sa email, email. Yan. Equals. And then, number. Yan. Equal sign. Yan. So, after natin nakapagbigay ng variable para sa ating value, we will create now a query. Okay? So, gagawa tayo ng query para sa ating variable. Para kukunin or mag-query tayo para mag-i-insert tayo ng data sa database gamit ang SQL statement. So, let's say for example, variable query. Okay? So, yung statement natin, guys, so pwede, if gagamit ka ng, mag-insert ka ng data, gagamit ka ng SQL statement na insert. So, insert, and then, into. So, i-insert natin yung data natin from where? Of course, sa ating table. So, the name of our table is the flower. Okay? And then, we provide also the rows. So what are the rows on the database? So these are the rows. We have the, click natin yung structure, at saka ito yon. We have the ID, the name, type, description, email, and number. Okay, so balik tayo dito. Turn natin to. We have the name. Name lang kukunin natin. Mamaya na yung ID. So name, the type, description, email, at saka number. Yan. At saka, anong magiging values nito para ilalagay niya sa database? Of course, ang values nito guys, ito yung value na nandito na naka-store sa ating variable. Okay? So, input string. So, lalagay natin yung name ng variable. Another string. We have the type. So, another string. Description. Okay, comma, another string, email, and another string, lastly, number. Okay, oops, number. So, itong mga variable natin guys, saan natin kinuha yan? Dito sa ating variable dito. You have the name, the type, description, email, and number. At saka itong name, type, description, email, and number, these are the rows inside our table flower. Okay, so this is our variable stores that we will insert into flower sa rows na ito. At ito yung value na i-insert natin. Okay, so these are the values that we are going to insert. Okay, so ayan. Then, next thing to do is we are going to save the data or save to the database. Okay? So, save data to the database. But before that, gagawa muna tayo ng conditional statement. If function, ato ang yung codes natin, MySQL query. Oops, we forget something. MySQL query. So, we will be passing in the, we forgot something. Dapat maglalagay tayo dito ng link para sa ating database connection. So, ito yung db.connect. So, i-include lang natin dito. Okay? So, nasa loob siya ng templates, di ba? Okay, so include templates. Oops, nasa loob pala ng config na folder. Config slash yung db underscore connect .php. Ayan. Close natin to. So, we have our connection. dbconnect.php. Dito natin yan kinuha. So, we have our variable con. So, ipapass in natin ito sa ating function dito. So, we will be passing in here. We have the con. At saka yung query natin. Okay. So, ipapasok natin yung query. So, query. Yan. At magbibigay tayo ng codes. If MySQL query connection is okay and query is okay, there will be no problem. So, that statement is true. So, it will be inserted, the data will be inserted on the database. So, pagkatapos niyang mag-i-insert, babalik siya dito sa ating location. So, header location. So, ang purpose ng header location, guys, after the execution of the codes, saan siya babalik? Okay, saan siya babalik? Okay, next, header location, index.php. So, babalik siya. Or the add, or index.php. Yan. Yan na, dyan na lang. And then, else, echo natin yung echo natin if may errors. If magkaroon siya ng errors, bibigyan niya tayo ng errors kung anong error natin. So, query. So, error. Oops. And then, let's concatenate this one. at saka MySQLi error. Yan. Close. I think yes. MySQLi error. Okay, so try natin guys kung gagana ito. So if there is a problem, then fix natin. Okay, so far yan yung mga gagamitin natin. So nag-declare tayo ng variable dito na may laman ng ating values sa ating input field, at saka gumawa tayo ng query, insert into flower. These are the rows, at saka these are the values on the input fields na binigay natin dito. Okay, at saka gumawa tayo ng conditional statement, MySQLi query. So pinas-in natin yung database connection at saka yung ginawa nating SQL query. At saka, once the statement is true, babalik siya dito sa index at i-insert niya muna yung data niya, tapos babalik siya dito sa index. At saka, if there is an error, so ito yung i-output niya. Okay? Oops. Yan, save. And balik tayo dito, reload the page. So let's say the flower, magbibigay tayo ng flower, orchid or gomamela. Yan, type flower, at saka description niya, for export, email, at gmail.com, at a number, yan, sample lang naman yan, at hit submit, and there you go guys, mayroon tayong data, gomamela, flower for export, and we had successfully inserted our data into the database. So if you are going to look at this database value, mayroon din ditong gomamela. Okay? So that is how you are going to insert data on the database, not manually, but gamit yung application natin. Okay? So, next tutorial guys, magtuturo tayo kung paano i-delete yung data. Hindi dito manually magdi-delete tayo, but then magdi-delete tayo ng data sa ating application. Okay? So, see you next tutorial.